Whole30 in a minute, essential tips for success. Quick tips, thinking about trying Whole30. Here are essential tips to help you succeed. Meal prep, prepare your meals in advance. Chop veggies, cook proteins, and have compliant snacks ready to avoid temptation. Make a weekly grocery list to ensure you have everything you need. Try batch cooking on weekends to save time during the week. Consider making double portions of dinner to have leftovers for lunch. Experiment with new Whole30 recipes to keep your meals exciting. Store meals in clear containers to easily identify what's inside. Get creative with herbs and spices to add flavor without non-compliant ingredients. Plan theme nights like taco or stir-fry night with compliant ingredients. Invest in quality storage containers to keep your meals fresh longer. Try a new vegetable each week to expand your palate. Freeze leftover soups and stews for quick meals on busy days. Create a meal prep calendar to keep you organized and on track. Plan your menu a week ahead to avoid last-minute unhealthy choices. Incorporate seasonal produce for variety and freshness. Read labels. Always check ingredient labels. Whole30 eliminates sugar, grains, dairy, and legumes. Be cautious with pre-packaged foods and sauces. Use apps to help track acceptable and non-compliant ingredients. Always choose fresh, whole foods to ensure compliance. Even seemingly safe items like deli meats can contain hidden sugars. When in doubt, Google or refer to a Whole30 approved list. Ask your local grocery store for Whole30 compliant products. Create a small guide of your favorite compliant brands. Stay informed about common additives that are non-compliant. Speak with store managers about stocking more Whole30 items. Find support, connect with friends or online communities. Sharing your journey makes it easier and more enjoyable. Join Whole30 forums or social media groups for motivation. Buddy up with a friend for shared meals and encouragement. Celebrate milestones together, like completing your first week. Attend local Whole30 meetups for in-person support. Share recipes and success stories to inspire others. Create a Whole30 scrapbook or journal to document your journey. Host a Whole30 potluck to share compliant dishes with friends. Consider starting a Whole30 support group for continuous encouragement. Participate in Whole30 challenges to stay motivated and focused. Success story: meet Katie, who lost 20 pounds and felt more energetic after her Whole30 journey. Her secret, consistency, and planning led to her success. Despite challenges, she stayed focused by visualizing her goals. Katie's daily affirmations and positive mindset kept her motivated. She tracked her progress with photos and measurements to stay on track. Stay committed, and these tips will guide you through your Whole30 experience. Want to learn more? Visit our website